How to use Wix.com for online store. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own store on Wix.com. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Wix.com. With Wix, we get a lot of different features and tools to create our own professional websites and online store as well. We can also add a store to our existing websites on Wix. So don't worry if you already have a blog or you want to create a blog, but you want to add a store as well, you can do that on Wix. Once you sign up or log into your Wix manager, this is where you will get. And in here, you simply can create a new website or you can actually select your previous websites to add a store to. I'm gonna go ahead and add a store to my blog right here that I am creating. I will show you how you can also create a store using Wix.com. So without any further ado, let's get started with the process. Simply open up your Wix editor, and I am actually using the Wix Classic. You can also go with Editor X if you want to. This website was actually created on Editor X, and but I want to add a store to this one on Classic Wix. So to add a store on your website, let's say that you are not creating a store website first, but you already have a blog and want to add a store to. So you simply go to add option right here, scroll down and you will find this option right here which says store. Now you can see that we can add an online store on Wix. We can sell products or digital downloads, set up payment methods easily, create coupons and special offers. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add to site. Now, it will just take few seconds to add a store to my Wix website right here. So now a store has been added to my Wix website. You can see right here, start selling with Wix e-commerce. We can customize our own product galleries, cart and checkout option, manage our inventory, create orders and fulfillments. I will simply click on get started. When it comes to Wix editor, it simply creates a store like a professional store as we do on Shopify and other platforms. We can add products, and that's the first thing that we do. And we also get our own dashboard for our store on Wix. Then we have our store pages, which is the more basic option where I will be able to find all of my pages. So we have a shop page, product page, card page, and thank you page. If you want to add another shop page, you will simply click right here and then you will be able to add another page to your shop on Wix. Then we have add store element. From here, we will be able to add different elements to our shop. Let's say that I select this shop page, and after that, I can add a slider product gallery, maybe a grid product gallery, and other options such as buttons, text, widgets, shopping carts, and more. Keep in mind that we can also integrate our print on demand, such as Printful, our shipping partners like Shippo to our Wix store. We can also change currencies and add payment methods. So from here, we will be adding different elements. Let's go to Store Manager and add products. Let's go to Store Manager, and in Store Manager, we will find the basic options such as adding products, go to dashboard, add a payment method, and add a shipping rules. Let's go to dashboard. When I go to my dashboard, then in here we get all of the options such as our store products. In here, I will be able to check my connections, my products, inventory, and more. Then we have orders, and in orders, I will be able to check my abandoned carts, the orders that are being placed on my website. Then we have a gift card option that allows us to add gift cards. Then we have blog subscriptions, contacts. In contacts, we can go for site members, workflows, tasks, and reminders. Then we have communication, automation is available. And then, of course, we have marketing and SEO. And in here, we will be able to find our SEO tools, our different social medias. We can create our own campaigns, ads, social posts, and video makers. So we can also create our own logos within this option. Then, of course, we have our analytics and report, where I will be able to check my traffic overview, my sales overview, my behavior overview, reports, insights, and site speed alert. So, if you're looking for analytics and stats for your website, then this is the option to go to. And then, of course, we have finances, where we have invoices and we have financial integrations or the payment methods. And then we have channels, settings, content manager, and developer tools. So you can see right here that Wix is actually providing a lot of different tools and features for us to create a professional and online store. Well, going through all of these different tools one by one will take, hours, but you can simply go ahead and check out any of these different options. Let's say I want to go to analytics and reports, and then I will simply click right here and it will open up a sub dashboard for me for traffic overview, where I will be able to check my traffic for my website. And then we can simply go to maybe orders and check out the orders that I have received. So this is how it simply works on dashboard. You can simply go ahead and get your own dashboard on Wix.com when you create your online store. So we checked our dashboard. Now let me show you how you customize your store. Let's say this is the store that I have. The first thing is the menu right here. If you want to change the menu, you can just simply go ahead and change it. And you can also make it smaller or bigger. Then this is the text that we have. I'm going to go ahead and edit the text. This is the shop name, but I'm going to change the shop name to go ahead and call it Test Shop. So this is the name for my website. Now to add a different section to website, what we do is we have this plus button right here. And this is like the classic Wix editor that we work with. We have add elements, pages, site design, add apps, media, my blog, and my store option right here. So I'm going to go to add. And in add, now I can simply add maybe a button, image, list, box, embed code, content manager, whatever I want to. So I'm going to go to box right here and maybe select a themed box or maybe a container box on my Wix website. So I will simply go ahead and select a box. Let's go ahead and select this one. So this is how we simply select different boxes. So I will simply go ahead and drag it and I'm going to drop it right here. But we will actually decrease the size for our box. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and place this box right here. Now we have a box. And similarly, I can just go ahead and add different elements. This is a container box. I will simply go to add button again. And this time, maybe I will go to an image. Or we can also go with interactives. And in here, I can actually add an interactive section which has these different registration forms or maybe a product. So I will be able to add my product details to this section right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it and drop it right here. It's pretty big, so I'm going to go ahead and make it a bit smaller. There you go. Similarly, you can add different elements to your store right here. So once you have added the elements, let's say that you have selected the gallery, a product gallery, and this is what it looks like. Now I want to customize and add my own products to the store. So let's go ahead and customize this. Go to manage products right here. And in here, we get our own product list. We will be able to manage all of our products right here, and this is our dashboard. We can access our products from here as well. So right now we have 12 products. To add a new product, you simply click right here. You can go for a digital file and a physical product as well. I'm going to go with a physical product, and now we simply give our product a name. Let's call it test product. After that, you simply add an image or video for your product. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly add the image right here. So after the name, you simply add an image and video. I have uploaded the image of this product right here that I want to sell. Then we have product info, where you add a product name and description. After that, you will be able to add additional sections as well, and pricing. In pricing, we can add cost of the goods and profit. Then we have our custom text option, product options, where we will be able to add color and material. Then we have inventory, and you can select if it's in stock or out of stock. So this is in stock. Once you are done, you simply click on save and a new product is added to your list. You can see this is my product. And now I can simply go to my website and I will be able to customize the product. You simply add a product and then you customize it on your website. Of course, you can change the theme and whatever you want to, but this is like the basic theme that you have selected, and all of the products are will be listed like this. You can add if it's on sale, you can add the pricing, everything, and this way you will be able to add all of the products. The main thing we do on Wix online, if you're creating an online store, so we actually spend more time on our dashboard, because this is where you will be adding products, and you can also import products from your other platforms. Once you do that, you can also create collections for your products. You can manage your products, you can add them out of stock, you can confirm orders through your dashboard, add a payment method through this option as well. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Wix.com to create your online store. I gave you an overview. Now you can simply go ahead and add products, check your dashboard, get the analytics, and customize the store the way you want to. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.